Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech AI. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up on Leonardo.ai. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Leonardo AI app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Now, go ahead, launch the app, then on the screen you're gonna see a bunch of features of Leonardo.ai. Now to use them, you're gonna have to go ahead and sign up. I'm going to show you by tapping on create new. Then on the screen you can see sign up options there. Go ahead and tap on sign up from the bottom right corner. Now select Google, Apple or Microsoft from the screen. I'm going to select Google. Now it's going to take you to accounts.google.com. Go ahead, give your email ID and password. Make sure you don't make any mistakes there. Once you do that, it's gonna ask you if you really want to continue using that Google account to sign up for the Leonardo.ai app. Then you can see you're in Leonardo.ai app. And guys, that's it. That's how you sign up for Leonardo.ai app. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.